What's up? If you have a Sprinter camper van, if you've got a Sprinter 2500, a Sprinter 3500, single rear wheel, dual rear wheel, and you're using it as a camper van, I want to show you this right here. This is a Timbren SES Suspension Enhancement System, and this is going to transform the way that your van performs. Check this out. If you've ever been concerned about the way that your van performs, it's got a lot of side-to-side sway and roll, you got that white knuckle driving experience, these Timbren SES kits are going to solve that. These are designed with a progressive spring rate. And what that means is that the more that your vehicle is swaying back and forth, the more that these are gently going to eliminate that, giving you back that stability and that confidence when you're behind the wheel. These are an easy DIY upgrade. You don't need fancy new shocks or new suspension work. This is just a bump stop replacement, but these do have a progressive spring rate, and they install very simply with basic hand tools that you can do as a DIY job on a Saturday in your driveway. Each one of these Timbren SES kits comes with a 100-day money-back guarantee and a no BS lifetime warranty for as long as you own that van. These are going to solve your suspension problems. They're going to give you that performance that you need and transform the way that your van performs. Head over to Timbren.com and get one right now.